Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we're going to show you how to turn off OneDrive on Windows 11 so you can control your files and backups. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the OneDrive icon at the bottom right of your screen. This opens the OneDrive menu where you can access all its settings. Step 2. If you don't see the icon, click Show Hidden Icons to find it. Some icons may be hidden by default on the taskbar. Step 3. Click the gear icon at the top right of the OneDrive window. The gear opens the menu to manage OneDrive settings. Step 4. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. This panel lets you control syncing, backups, and account options. Step 5. Go to the Sync and Backup section. Here you can see which folders are being backed up or synced to OneDrive. Step 6. Turn off all sync and backup options. This stops OneDrive from automatically saving files to the cloud. Step 7. Click Manage Backup and disable any remaining backup settings. This ensures no folders are still being backed up. Step 8. Go to the Account section on the left side. This is where you can manage linked devices and your OneDrive account. Step 9. Click Unlink this PC. This disconnects your computer from OneDrive while keeping your local files. Step 10. Confirm by clicking Unlink Account. After this, OneDrive will no longer sync or back up files on your PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more tutorials.